I just got in my monthly grocery order, so I thought I'd bring you along and let you see what I picked up. I needed to top off some preps, and I also needed to get some fresh produce. We have been eating from our fridge, our freezer, our pantry, and our extended pantry for the past month. I haven't been to the store in a month, and I really needed some fresh produce and a few other things. So let me show you what I got, and then what they also had on sale. And as almost always, I do my grocery shopping at Kroger. So I did the Kroger pickup today. I ordered my groceries online, and then I sent my husband to pick them up. Oh, I dropped a pepper. And I'm going to be trying some new things for meals for the next few weeks. I got a new cookbook called the Cook Once, Eat All Week cookbook. I actually saw it on Robin's channel at Faith and Flour, and I thought, oh, that looks kind of interesting. So I checked it out from the library, and I really liked what I saw. So I'm going to be making a couple of meals from that this week as well. So I needed to order a bunch of stuff. So they had these, I needed cucumbers for one of the meals, and so I ordered some mini cucumbers. These are seedless, and I just thought I'd have some green salads or something like that on the table. I haven't been having a lot of salads lately, and I'm missing that freshness. Kroger's also had blueberries on sale. They were like 2 for $5, so I got 2 packs of those. I use a lot of blueberries when I'm making smoothies because I use the Dr. Ian K. Smith approach. If you're not familiar with him and his, I think it's Shred, Cleanse, something like that book, but I will link it in the description box below so you can check it out. And then I needed some fresh strawberries for the same thing, so I got 2 packs of those. And then we eat a lot of sweet potatoes, baked sweet potatoes, candied sweet potatoes, and then there's sweet potatoes that are going to be used in a couple of those meals that I'm going to prepare, so I got some of those. And 4 red peppers, and oh my goodness, red peppers were expensive. They were like $1.79 each. But I got 4 of those. I had put up peppers from over the summer, but I used all my red peppers. I've only got green peppers left, and I really wanted the red ones for the color in this particular dish that I'm going to make. And then needed some sliced mushrooms, so I picked up some of those. And I've been using lots of carrots, so I got another bag of carrots, some romaine lettuce hearts so that I can make salads with that. And then, of course, you always need onions in cooking. And then I got 4 Roma tomatoes. We have a couple of tomatoes in the fridge, and these look really good. They're nice and firm, so she did a good job picking those out. Also got some grapes, and these are supposed to be seedless grapes, and my husband really likes grapes, so I got some of those. Some green onions, which I enjoy cooking with those, so I got some green onions. And then some celery. Always needing celery. I've also got 4 apples, and he likes these apples quite a bit. He's been like wandering around the house like a kid looking for snacks because we were out of everything. So he's been forced to eat the apples. So I got some more apples today. And then, of course, I always need lemons in smoothies and in cooking, so I got some lemons. So these are the produce. So I'll get these put away, and then I'll show you what else I've got. Now here are more things that need to go in either the fridge or the freezer, and there are a couple produce items that I forgot to put up here. We did get a few bananas, so I like to get a hand of bananas when I order the groceries, and then we eat them fairly quickly so they don't go bad. But if they do, I will freeze them and then use them later for smoothies or baking. And then we were down to 1 egg. 1 egg. And I've been using my preps, my powdered eggs, for the last couple of weeks. So I ordered some fresh eggs so that we could make scrambled eggs for breakfast tomorrow, because those powdered eggs do not taste the same as regular fresh eggs. And then I got a half dozen pears, and I always get pears. I use these in my smoothies. They really kind of help to kind of cleanse the palate a little bit. So they're good for that, but then my husband also likes to just eat them fresh. And then this is a pound of perch ocean fillets. And they've been previously frozen. I didn't know that the perch fillets that they have in the fish case at Kroger, sometimes they've been previously frozen. But anyway, I only got a pound because they were very expensive. They were like $6.99 a pound. So I just got 1 pound of that. And then I got 4 of these Marie Callender chicken pot pies. I really like these. We have them a lot for lunch, and sometimes if I'm doing a very light dinner, we might have them for that. But we do have them a lot for lunch. And I wanted the shepherd's pie. She has a very nice shepherd's pie made with ground beef, but they didn't have any. So I got 4 of the chicken, and I'll have to wait until next month. In the meantime, I will make my own, and then maybe I'll videotape that when I do that. And then, of course, we have been missing sweets. So all of our snacks and sweet things have been used up. So when we talk about making sure you've got goodies and snacks and things like that in your preps, you really need to, because it's only been a month, but I was really starting to just really look around and scramble around the house looking for something sweet. I wanted a candy bar or something like that, and I didn't have any. I wanted some pie, and I didn't have any. So I did get this Marie Callender ready to bake Dutch apple pie, and I absolutely love it. And then we got a couple of pizzas. These pizzas are really good. This is the Freschetta Supreme, and it's the Rising Crust brand. So I got a couple of those, and they'll be nice for either Friday night or Saturday night dinners or lunches. So I got 2 of those. And then picked up a carton of the vanilla almond milk. I really like this brand. Now, I've been using some of the almond milk or the almond breeze or whatever shelf-stable milk preps we've had on our shelf, but since I was ordering in groceries, I went ahead and ordered some of that. And I ran out of my coffee creamer, so I haven't had coffee for the last 2 days, because if I don't have the right coffee creamer, I just won't drink it. So I didn't want to open the crema or any of the other stuff. I thought I'll just wait until I order groceries. So got 2 of these bad boys to last until the next monthly grocery order. And then a bag of these Bird's Eye Steam Fresh Sweet Peas. I'm going to use them in one of the meals that I've got coming up, so I want to get some of those. Now this is a disappointment. I wanted to get 2 loaves of bread, and I wanted the brown berry nut bread, and they didn't have any. So they didn't even offer a substitution, and so I called, waited on the phone for a while, and I said, look, the primary thing I needed from this grocery order was bread, because I could have waited another week or 2 for everything else. But I wanted bread, and I didn't feel like making any. So the lady helped me out. She called whoever she needed to call, and she got someone to get me some bread. I said, they got to have something they can sub that bread for in Kroger. I said, I don't care as long as it's wheat bread, honey wheat bread, another brand of bread. I just needed some bread. So I got this Sara Lee honey wheat bread, and they didn't pack it up the best. So it's a little bit squished. So I was not real happy with that. And the thing about that Pepperidge Farm nut bread is it's pretty firm, so it doesn't squish like this in the packing. So, or I should say in bagging it up. So I wasn't real happy with that. So let me take care of some of this, and I'll come back. Here are some more refrigerator items. I wanted to take care of all of these first. So I got 2 pounds of ground turkey. And I really like using ground turkey in chili and spaghetti and different kinds of stews. So I got 2 pounds of that. And then I also got some ground beef. And I got 2 pounds of that. And it's the 80% lean, 20% fat. And I couldn't get the 85% lean because they were out of that. And then 2 pounds of the Hershire Farms Polish kielbasa sausage. And then 2 packs of the Johnsonville Vermont maple syrup sausage. And then the Jimmy Dean cooked, fully cooked sausage. And this is the turkey sausage. My husband really likes that too. And then a container of sour cream, a container of Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, for my smoothies and other cooking. And I love these Bob Evans glazed apples. They are so good. They make a wonderful side dish. So I like to either have cranberry sauce or these glazed apples on the side. They are just so good. And then I got some cheeses. So some sliced American cheese for grilled cheese sandwiches. And then 2 bags of the shredded sharp cheddar for omelets and mac and cheese and different kind of things like that. And then some Mexican blend cheese because I'm going to make some kind of either tacos or enchiladas or some kind of dish like that for Taco Tuesday. And then some shredded mozzarella. So this should be all the stuff that goes in the fridge. So now let me just show you like the canned goods and then some of the paper goods. I had to laugh while I was getting these things out. I was watching the Alaska Prepper the other day, and he was talking about doing a payday preps order. And whereas this is not a payday preps, it is my monthly grocery order. So I kind of feel like it's something similar to that. But I got some of the things, like I said, that we have been missing. So hubby was really missing his chips. So I got some of these kettle chips, 2 bags of those. And they're more like the kind of baked chips, and he really likes them. It's the signature kettle chips. They're really kind of hearty and crunchy, so I got 2 of those, as well as this white cheddar bag of popcorn. It's really good with like tomato soup and different things like that, and just to snack on. So I got some of this. I'm running out of room. And then the other thing I got was this box of this party-sized box snacks. The hubby got so spoiled when I had that variety box here. He was like, well, where are the snacks? Well, he'd eaten them all. So I got this box of variety pack when I was ordering this other stuff in. I just ordered in one of these, and it's got the little fun-sized bags in here, just like I got in the variety pack. If you missed the video where I showed the variety box, I'll link it in the comment section below so you can check that out. And then I got another box of these little Coke minis. They're just, you know, individual size, so they're perfect for that. And 2 jars of this paste picante sauce because I use it for so much. I use it in soups and sometimes in stews, but definitely on omelets and eggs and things like that. So I needed some of those, and I've been using ours up. And then I'm going to be needing some red wine vinegar and some of this sesame oil for a couple of the meals that I'm planning. So I got some of that. A jar of Kalamata olives also for one of the meals that I'm planning from that Cook Once, Eat All Week cookbook. And then we really like this Uncle Ben's rice. We just pop it in the microwave and it's done in 90 seconds. Now, I've got plenty of rice in my preps and I will make that. But if hubby's making lunch or dinner and he wants rice, he is not about to spend 15 minutes making rice. He likes this really quick and easy form. So I always make sure we've got some of this. And then if we're having soup or chili or something like that, and he wants to quickly make it a little bit more hearty and dump it over some rice, well then we've got these. And I always get at least 2 of the roasted chicken, and then I'll get 2 of the rice pilaf, and then 2 of the long grain and wild. And they're really, really good. And in 90 seconds, you're ready to go. So there's that. I don't want to knock anything off. And then I got some pineapple juice because I'm going to need it for a recipe that I'm making. And then I wanted 2 cans of this cooked ground beef. Well, I got 1 can of cooked ground beef and 1 can of beef chunks. So they must have only had 1 can of the cooked ground beef. And then 2 cans of black beans. I always try to get some of those. And then I got 3 cans of these pineapple tidbits. I've got a couple recipes coming up. This calls for sweet and sour kind of things. So I thought I better get some pineapple. And then I always try to get at least 4 cans of corn, particularly because of all the damage we've had to corn crops and that kind of thing. I'd like to have some stashes of, well, I like to have a nice little stash of corn in my press. So, let's see, let me get this out of the way. coffee. I like the Starbucks House Blend Decaf. When I had delivery the last time, they brought me 2 boxes of the decaf and then 1 box of the caffeinated, which I could not use. So I did call and I've got a credit for that box that I can't use. I didn't have to take it back, so it's just in the pantry. I don't know what I'm going to do with it because I can't drink it. And then we've used 2 boxes of these Ritz crackers off of our prep shelves. I needed to get some more of those. And I've been making lots of Jiffy corn muffins. So I got 4 boxes of those. And then a package of tortillas so I can make some kind of, you know, Mexican dish for Taco Tuesday. And some coconut sugar. So I've got some of that. And then a package of toilet tissue, the Kroger Soft and Strong, and it's the mega roll, so you get like 72, it's equivalent to 72 rolls in this pack. And when I find toilet tissue, I like to try to get a large pack like this. So if I can afford it, this is what I do. And then I got some paper towels. Now, this is a big honking bag of paper towels. I've never gotten a package of paper towels this large before. I usually get the one that has like 12 or equivalent to 12, but they must have been out of that one, so they gave me the one that's equivalent to 24 rolls. So I won't be buying paper towels for the next couple of months, so I'm good in that category. And the last thing to show you is this container of water. I like to get the little 8-ounce bottles because then you don't have any waste. When you just have small bottles, people tend to drink it all. So we tend to get this size. And then I did get ice cream, but I already have it in the freezer. We were missing ice cream and pie and just all of those little sweetie goody snacks that just kind of helps to make mealtime pleasant. So, and when you're thinking about your preps, don't forget your goodies because you will need those. If you want to see how to build your 3-month prepper pantry, click here. And if you want to see some episodes of me doing some off-grid cooking, getting my Pioneer on, be sure to click here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you're not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out my video on off-grid cooking, campfire beef stew, and I will see you next time.